Good morning. I'm off on a group ride with folks from HB Velo. We're going to meet them at the shop. Don't know where we're going, but it's a nice winter day. Cold, but not too windy. Here they are hanging out in the sun. And we're off. Reverse Cyranos. To the lagoon at the back bay. 60 watts doing 20 miles an hour.
Oh, I love it. It's hard to scare myself.
Yeah.
You want to keep going faster. Like, all right, how fast are we going? All right, this is multi-use path. I gotta ease up on this.
Santiago Creek. Coming up to the Bill Barber Sports Fields. No stopping anytime.
It's for the other.
Semaphores.
Yeah. Where did you buy? Coach optometry. Oh, okay. My guy.
From a guy.
My guy.
I like it.
Your guy. All right.
Some young guy.
What? I've been safe around that.
Well, that thing filled up quick.
No.